Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with me. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a design team kit that I received from Bead Craft Chic, Evelyn, and I will have her linked below. Well, she sent me some of these Santa beads, and I love the little Santa face on these beads and how circular they are. They almost look like erasers. They're so cute. Can't wait to play with them. And then she sent me these charms, and I also want to open them to show you the charms. This is the Hey Santa collection, and the charms are very well made. They have like a gold plated metal to them, and also the front is sort of like a glass, but it's not. Maybe a plexiglass it looks like, but very nice. I like them all, especially that swan. And look at that snowman, how cute. And if you're into plaid as well as plaid and the Santa, so cute. So there I show you how they look from the side. And next are these puffy stickers. I love puffy stickers. I love to use them. They're so cute, and these are definitely very puffy. So I'm going to take off the swan so you can see how puffy they are. And so I just show you the side view of them. Very sticky, very well made. And again, this is the Hey Santa collection as well. Next are these stickers, and the same collection, and I'm just gonna go through and show you what they look like, as well as take them out of the packaging so you can see these are a thicker sticker. And these stickers have like a shiny film to them. They're thick. They're not made out of like paper. They're just thicker, shinier. They have a really sturdy film on top of them. And so I just showed you the Santa, and I'm going to show you also the elf. I just think they're so cute. And you know how us paper crafters are. We love our stickers, and as well as you scrapbookers. And so that is the whole design kit. Please check out Evelyn, Bead Craft Chic. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.